My name is Diksha Soni. I'm from class 8 and I'm from Choithram school, Manik. Good evening everyone. Today I'm here related to VVM exams. Basically, it is a national level competition for Digital India to popularize the Indian science, which is very vast, and for the contribution for our Indian scientists. Today we're gonna learn something about sound. So the first question comes in our mind is, what is sound? So sound is a form of energy which is audible to us or which we can hear. So sound is produced due to vibrations. So next thing which we're gonna learn is, what are vibrations? So vibrations are the to and fro motion of any object. So now we're gonna see some examples of sound. This pleasant sound is known as music. Music is the sound which we like to hear. This is an harsh and unpleasant sound which we often don't like to hear, and this is known as noise. Sound is a form of wave. So what is a wave? Wave is a disturbance created in the medium that transmits energy through matter or empty spaces. Parameters of wave are wavelength, frequency, amplitude, time period, and speed. Wavelength means the distance between two sound waves. There are two types of waves: longitudinal waves and transverse waves. Next is frequency. Frequency is the number of waves that pass through a point in 1 second. The unit for frequency is hertz. 1 hertz is equals to 1 wave per second. The next one is amplitude. The amplitude of transverse wave is the half the distance between the crest and the trough. The amplitude of longitudinal wave is the measure of how compressed or rarefied the medium becomes. The next one is time period. Time period is the time taken for one oscillation, and it is represented by the letter V. The last one is speed. The wave speed is the speed at which a wave travels. Speed of the wave is represented by V, the frequency of wave is represented by F, and the wavelength is represented by the upside down Y. Thank the Vigyan Bharati Malwa to organize such a competition to develop scientific skills in young minds and to get the opportunity to think out of the box. And the special thanks goes to Shri Prajatantra Gangel ji, State Organizing Secretary of Vigyan Bharati Malwa Prant, and Shri Santosh Patel, Convenor Junior Science Communicator, Ms. Saroj Mishra and Mr. Harish Davedi, Coordinator and Junior Science Communicator. I have registered in VVM exams. Now it's your turn to register in VVM exams and to be the part of national movement to popularize science. Have a great day and keep learning.